Hi friends, it's Eliana here today, and today I've got a cute hack for you. Let's get started. All right, I don't know if you've seen the viral lace, long sleeve, turtleneck, undershirt that's going around. People are wearing it under everything, t-shirts, jumpers, dresses, and I think it's adorable. So I wanted to create my own. Now, the only thing is that I didn't really quite have enough of the lace that would be perfect for it. I have this beautiful lace that would be so perfect for it, but I didn't have quite enough of it. So I'm gonna try it out with a different lace. This is more like a meshy lace and it's got the polka dots, which I think it'd still be super cute. We're gonna try it out, and if it turns out, I'm probably gonna go grab myself some white lace, some different colored laces, so I can make this a few different times. So what I'm going to be using today is the puff sleeve bodysuit pattern because it's a fitted bodice and it's got a turtleneck. And I'm going to be using the sleeves from the Eliana baby top because it's a fitted top and I wanted to have that fitted long sleeve. I'm also going to be doing a lettuce hem on this just because I've seen a lot of lettuce hem on those viral tops, and I think it will be super cute and it's so easy to do. I'm not going to be doing the bodysuit version. I'm doing a regular top version. But the cool thing is, if you did want to do a bodysuit, you could use the bodysuit option on the puff sleeve bodysuit / dress pattern. Let's get started. All I'm doing differently is I cut out the bodice, front and back, and the neckband of the puff sleeve bodysuit. And then I cut out the sleeves of the Eliana top. And I'm gonna sew it all up just like it's supposed to, super easy. Sew up the back, sew up the shoulders, sew up the sleeves, the Eliana sleeves onto that, and then sew up the sides and then hem. Oh, and neckline and hem. It's gonna be super easy. Let's do it super quick. I can't wait to see the results.
All right, let's get started by sewing up the back seam. You're gonna place the two back pieces right sides together and sew. I'm using a serger because this is a knit fabric. Then I'm gonna grab those shoulders and face them right sides together and sew the shoulder seam. For the neckline, I'm folding the neckline in half and sewing the short raw edge. Next time, I may do just a lettuce hem on the neckline and just attach it to one side of the neckline and do like half of it so it's not as dark. You'll see when I show you later. Okay, now I'm gonna attach the sleeves facing right sides together and attach them. And this was so quick and so easy. I think, oh my goodness, I can't believe I haven't done this before. So I'm really excited about doing it again in other colors as well. But here I am attaching the neckline. Like I said, see how much darker it is than the rest of the bodice? That's the only thing that kind of throws me off a little bit with this neckline. So next time I'm going to cut the neckline in half length, widthwise, and then I'm going to lettuce edge the neckline at the top and then attach the other side to the actual neckline like I did here. So then you would have like not a raw edge, but a lettuce edge hem neckline. I think that would be super cute. Now we're placing all the bodice right sides together and we're going to sew the sleeves and all the way down the bodice. Last but not least, we're working on that hem. I'm doing the lettuce edge hem, and we do have the tutorial here on our channel, so make sure to check it out. I love this hem so much. It's so cool and so easy, and it turns out super cute.
All right, friends, we are done with this lace undershirt. I can't wait to try it on under, maybe I'll put it under this oversized tee I'm wearing right now. But look at how good that looks. I love that lettuce edge hem. It is so pretty, so dainty. We're gonna go try it on, and if this works out, I'm gonna make a million of these and get some more different laces and make them because so cute. All right, friends, we are done with this top. I think it turned out super cute. I am obsessed with this lettuce edge hem. It is so simple yet so cute. You really need to go check out that tutorial so you can start making it. I'm making it, putting it on everything. I love the neckline. I think even just with a simple tank, it looks really cute, but I can't wait to style it with other stuff on top. All right, here it is with the Maritza dress. I think this combo is super cute. I do have different color of this kind of mesh, and I'm gonna make a few different ones that I can wear with different color dresses and stuff because it is adorable. I like it so much. You know, if you want that little extra coverage but still looking really cool, this is the way to go. What do you think? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Go check out that lettuce hem tutorial. I'm telling you, it will change your life. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Go grab your patterns, come back and sew them up with me, and I'll see you all next time.